Travel photography is a great way to capture the beauty and diversity of our planet. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, you'll want to visit these 20 photogenic places in the world that will make your photos stand out. In this video, we'll show you where to go, what to see, and how to take amazing photos at each destination. From stunning natural wonders to charming cultural landmarks, these are the most photogenic places in the world for travel photography. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Angkor Wat is one of the most famous historical sites in Asia and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located near Siem Reap in Cambodia, it is a majestic temple complex that dates back to the 12th century. Originally built as a Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu, it later transformed into a Buddhist sanctuary. Covering an impressive 162.6 hectares, Angkor Wat is the largest religious structure in the world. Its iconic 5 central towers, representing the peaks of mythical Mount Meru, rise above a series of galleried galleries adorned with intricate bas-relief sculptures. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Angkor Wat stands as a testament to Cambodia's rich cultural heritage and architectural brilliance. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Ha Long Bay, also known as Vinh Ha Long in Vietnamese, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular travel destination in Quang Ninh Province, Vietnam. The name Ha Long means descending dragon in Vietnamese. The bay features thousands of limestone karsts and isles in various shapes and sizes, creating a stunning seascape. The bay is also home to many wildlife species, such as dolphins, seals, penguins, and birds. Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto is the former imperial capital of Japan and a city of culture, history, and beauty. It's home to over 2,000 temples and shrines, many of which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Kyoto is also known for its traditional arts and crafts, such as pottery, textiles, and tea ceremony. Kyoto is one of the best places to experience the charm and elegance of Japan. Petra, Jordan. Petra, also known as Rakhmu or Rakamo in ancient times, is a historic and archaeological city in southern Jordan. It was the capital of the Nabatean Kingdom, a powerful Arab state that ruled over the region from the 4th century BC to the 1st century AD. Petra is famous for its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system, which allowed the city to thrive in the desert. Petra is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Taj Mahal, India. The Taj Mahal is one of the most famous historical sites in Asia and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is an ivory-white marble mausoleum built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, who died in childbirth in 1631. The Taj Mahal is regarded by many as the best example of Mughal architecture and a symbol of India's rich history. The mausoleum is located on the right bank of the Yamuna River in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. Cappadocia, Turkey. Cappadocia, also known as Cappadocia in Turkish, is a historical region in central Anatolia, Turkey. It's a wonderland of rocky formations, cave dwellings, and hot air balloons. Cappadocia was formed by millions of years of volcanic eruptions, erosion, and human intervention. The region is also rich in culture and history, with traces of ancient civilizations, such as the Hittites, Persians, Romans, Byzantines, Seljuks, Mongols, and Ottomans. Kinderdijk, Netherlands. Kinderdijk is a village in the province of South Holland, Netherlands. It's famous for its historic windmill structure, which dates back to the 18th century. Indeed, the windmills were built to drain the polder, a low-lying land reclaimed from water. The windmills of Kinderdijk are one of the best-known Dutch tourist sites and a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1997. Lake Como, Italy. Lake Como, also known as Lario, is the 3rd largest Italian lake, after Lake Garda and Lake Maggiore. Located at the foot of the Alps, Lake Como offers some of the most romantic and picturesque sceneries in the world. Its characteristic shape, resembling an inverted Y, comes from the melting of glaciers combined with the erosive action of the ancient Adda River. The lake is surrounded by picturesque villages, elegant villas, and lush gardens that attract millions of visitors every year. Paris, France. Paris is the capital and most populous city of France, With an official estimated population of 2,102,650 residents as of January 1, 2023. It's one of the world's major centers of culture, art, fashion, and gastronomy. Paris has many iconic landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower, the Arc de Triomphe, the Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. Santorini, Greece. Santorini, also known as Thera, is one of the most iconic Greek islands, with its whitewashed houses, blue-domed churches, and caldera views. The island is the result of a massive volcanic eruption that occurred about 3,600 years ago, creating a crescent-shaped basin surrounded by steep cliffs. Santorini is a popular destination for romance, relaxation, and adventure. Segovia, Spain. Segovia is a picturesque old city in the Castile and Leon region of Spain. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a rich history and culture. Segovia is famous for its historic buildings, including three main landmarks: its Midtown Roman aqueduct, its Gothic cathedral, and its medieval castle, also known as the Alcazar. Unstad, Norway. Unstad is a small village in the Lofoten Islands, an archipelago in Arctic Norway. It's a popular surfing destination, with waves that can reach up to 6 meters high. Additionally, Unstad is a place with many majestic landscapes, such as mountains, fjords, and beaches. Great Smoky Mountains, USA. Great Smoky Mountains are a mountain range rising along the Tennessee, North Carolina border in the southeastern United States. They are a subrange of the Appalachian Mountains and form part of the Blue Ridge Physiographic Province. The range is best known as the home of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, which protects most of the range. In fact, the park is the most visited national park in the United States, with over 11 million visits per year. In addition, the range is home to an estimated 187,000 acres of old-growth forest, constituting the largest such stand east of the Mississippi River. Lake Louise, Canada. Lake Louise is one of Canada's most photographed places and a must-see destination in Banff National Park. It's a glacial lake with crystal-clear blue water surrounded by snow-capped mountains. The lake is also known as the Jewel of the Rockies and attracts millions of visitors every year. New York City, USA. New York City, also known as NYC or the Big Apple, is the most populous and most international city in the United States, with an estimated population of 8.4 million people as of 2020. It's a global hub of culture, art, fashion, media, and business, with many iconic landmarks, such as the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building, Times Square, and Central Park. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Bora Bora, also known as Pora Pora in Tahitian, is an island group in the Leeward Islands of French Polynesia. It's a tropical paradise with turquoise waters, coral reefs, and overwater bungalows. Bora Bora is one of the most popular and romantic destinations in the South Pacific, attracting celebrities and honeymooners from around the world. Milford Sound, New Zealand. Milford Sound, also known as Paiopiotahai in Maori, is one of the most iconic attractions and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in New Zealand's Fiordland National Park. It's a fjord that was carved by glaciers millions of years ago, creating a stunning landscape of coral reefs, mountain peaks, and multi-tiered waterfalls. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Rio de Janeiro, also known as Rio or Cidade Maravilhosa, Marvelous City, is the capital of the state of Rio de Janeiro and the second most populous city in Brazil. It's a global city of culture, art, fashion, media, and business, with many iconic landmarks, such as the Christ the Redeemer statue, the Sugarloaf Mountain, Copacabana Beach, and Maracana Stadium. Rio de Janeiro is also famous for its carnival, samba, bossa nova, and natural beauty. Therefore, Rio de Janeiro is one of the most photogenic places in the world with so many objects for travel photographers. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni, also known as Salar de Tenupa, is the world's largest salt flat, or playa, at over 10,000 square kilometers in area. It is in the Daniel Campos province in Potosí in southwest Bolivia, near the crest of the Andes at an elevation of 3,656 m above sea level. The Sala was formed as a result of transformations between several prehistoric lakes that existed around 40,000 years ago but had all evaporated over time. It is now covered by a few meters of salt crust, which has an extraordinary flatness with average elevation variations within 1 meter over the entire area of the Sala. The crust serves as a source of salt and covers a pool of brine, which is exceptionally rich in lithium. The large area, clear skies, and exceptional flatness of the surface make the Sala ideal for calibrating the altimeters of Earth observation satellites. Following rain, a thin layer of dead calm water transforms the flat into the world's largest mirror, 129 kilometers across. Salto Grande, Chile. Salto Grande is one of the most famous waterfalls in Chile, located in the Torres del Paine National Park. It's where Nordenskjold Lake drops into Pijo Lake, creating a powerful and spectacular sight. The waterfall is about 15 meters high and has a beautiful turquoise color from the glacial sediments in the water. Final thoughts. We hope you enjoyed this article and found some inspiration for your next travel photography adventure. These 20 photogenic places in the world are just a fraction of the amazing destinations that await you. Whether you prefer mountains or beaches, cities or countryside, there's something for everyone. So grab your camera and start planning your trip to these photogenic places in the world. You'll be amazed by the results. If this video brought value to you, please give this video a thumbs up, share with other caregivers, and subscribe for more such videos.